Happy crafting! Hi friends, let's make a miniature. I have these brads and I'm going to use them in a different way. I open them up and use my paint markers to decorate the brads and the pony beads. Then I'm going to glue them together. Can you guess what character I'm making? I went brad, bead, bead. Make sure I have all of the details right. Finish with a fun little hat bead. And look who I made! I'm going to take a wire and hook it to a keychain. Now I have an adorable, bendable, miniature backpack clip or keychain. There are so many adorable designs we can make. You've got to try this. Each level is going to take 4 pieces of paper. Take your paper and fold it in half. Then fold the corners up and fold the top down. Tuck one of the top triangles inside and that's it. It's really just 3 folds per section. Make 4 of these shapes for each color. And then slide the corners together. And then we stack them. It's that simple. Each layer has 4 tabs that you can glue to the next layer. I made a simple base. Slid those tabs in, and ta-da! You have a very cool, very geometrical looking decorative paper vase. Happy crafting! Let's make bouncy balls. Mix a 1/4 cup of boiling water with half a tablespoon of borax, and then take 2 tablespoons of clear glue and mix in some glitter. Now we're going to take 1 teaspoon of the borax solution and mix it into the glitter and glue. It's going to feel wet and lumpy at the start, but if you keep mixing and rolling, eventually you'll have a nice round bouncy ball. I kept mine in an Easter egg, and it really made it hold its circle shape. This is an awesome craft you've got to try. Look at it bounce! Hi friends! Did you know if you take a balloon and fill it with flour, add some yarn for hair and draw on a face, you can make yourself the funnest, silliest fidget stress ball? Give it a try!